sobrang ganda mo. Totoo po, no? Alam kong sobrang kinakabahan ka sa vow ko kasi sobrang kilala mo ko. At alam mong hindi ko talent ang mag-express ng pagmamahal through words. Pero this is very special. So listen carefully kasi minsan lang to.
Hi, love. I feel like you're expecting this to be really good because I've been joking how it's not me if it's not a good vow. But as I am finally writing this for you, this may be the hardest piece to create because I will be reading it aloud in front of everyone we love, which is not us. Yet, please know that it is also surely the easiest one. Since I have been living my vows to you long before this day.
John Melica, do you come here in your own free will? No one coerced you to marry King Paolo? Ikaw ba'y kusang loob na pumarito? Wala bang pumilit sa'yo para pakasalan si King Paolo?
Yes po.
Very good. Now let's ask him. King Paolo, do you come here in your own free will? No one coerced you to marry John Melica? Ikaw ba'y kusang loob na pumarito? Wala bang pumilit sa'yo para pakasalan?
Absolutely yes. We've been together for quite some time. From being classmate way back in college, 2015 pa yun, hanggang sa naging officially tayo ng birthday mo in 2017. Back then, simple lang naman eh. Pero, ang gusto lang natin, makakuha tayo sa accounting, sabay makapag-complete ng OJT under the same company, makagraduate ng sabay at on time. We did it. All of it. Together.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it falls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back.
Since 2017, we had a really private relationship. We agreed that we'll keep the important parts to ourselves. The lambings and the misunderstandings. Ito yung palagi kong sagot every time na tinatanong ako what's our secret. I love how we never let anyone influence our decisions when it came to our relationship. I love how when things came to worst and we were really tested, I have some sense of calmness and peace with you. Alam ko kasi I have you.
So in love, so in love, so in love,
Love, I vow to love you and promise to stay calm. I vow to always choose you no matter what. I vow to always love you. Pakinggan mo to. And to give you a life that will never make you look back and regret that you choose me and to be with me.
all of the voices.
We both know the word promise is really sacred to us, so here's to officially say, I promise to choose you, to choose us every time. I promise I listen to you, your opinions, your goals, your prayers, your worries, your chicas, and even your random feeling main act sa concert moments.
So in love, so in love, so in love.
Love, I will forever be excited to go through life kasama ka and to keep writing our story together. I thank God every day sa buhay mo. As long as magkasama tayo with God, kaya natin lahat. At kagaya ng sunset, sa bawat paglubog ng araw, it is a quiet promise that there will always be a light. Sabay nating sasalubungin ng bawat araw ng may liwanag ng magkasama. Love, maraming salamat. promise to love you always and forever.
Should this be the last thing I see, I want you to know it's enough for me. 'Cause all that you are is all that I'll ever need.
I promise that I will be a partner to you and a good mother to hopefully, by the grace of God, our future children. Lastly, I promise to never break and forget what promises mean to us.
So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love. You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. And in the moment I knew you best.